We are still in Koh Tao, and the last few days we have just been driving around the island, doing a bit of sightseeing, because we actually wanted to come to Koh Tao because we wanted to complete our open water scuba diving qualification or certification. It's a mouthful.
It's a complete mouthful, yeah. So that is the main reason we are here. We are really looking forward to this. This is something we've wanted to do for quite some time now. And what it actually is a 3-day course to certify you as a Padi open water scuba diver to a depth of 18 meters. We started actually 2 days ago. The course is a total of 3 days, and you do 4 or 5 dives?
5 dives.
5 dives in total over the 3 days. But today is day 3 of the course, and we haven't really been filming anything up until now because we just didn't know what the situation was going to be with the course, and it is pretty full on and intense.
We hadn't done any scuba diving before we actually signed up for this course.
So this is a start. This is like starting from the start, beginner.
So there's been a lot of theory. We've spent most of our evenings inside our bungalow just with our head in our books trying to learn it all, but it's been absolutely amazing. The first day we focused on just learning the skills and getting used to the equipment, which was a lot to kind of take in. But
there's so much equipment, to start from like the beginning. There is so much to learn, like the equipment, the safety measures, kind of what to do in case of an emergency, how to use your oxygen, your regulator, and even the proper terms and like words for like all of the things that you need when you're in the water as well. There's a lot to us.
Yeah, the first day was overwhelming, but we were really excited, and we were so excited to get back out again on our second day, feeling a wee bit more comfortable in the water and kind of knowing what we were doing a little bit.
So this past 2 days, we've really just been focusing on learning our skills, getting adjusted and used to the water, understanding our equipment, what each thing does and how to use that, what to do in the case of an emergency, because there's so many things that can go wrong when you're scuba diving as well, and there is like a big risk factor with it as well. There's a big risk factor. So it's just kind of learning your safety measures, and then there's also like a full scuba diving language you have to use. You have to learn all of your signs, all of your logos, your symbols whenever you're underwater, what to do, in case something goes wrong, and how to kind of communicate that with your buddies. And it's been a real learning curve, the whole thing.
Like on the first day we had to like fill up our mask underneath the water and like learn how to like get the water out of our mask, how to clear your mask, and like just things that like if in the moment seem really stressful, but are essential when you're underwater.
Yeah, definitely. So today is day 3 of the course. It is our final day. We feel very prepared for the day, really looking forward to it, because today at the end of like our last session we should have like a fun dive where hopefully we'll just be able to enjoy ourselves, take maybe the GoPro and check out some of the underwater kind of sites going on around the island here. Where we have actually been doing the scuba diving is just off Koh Tao, basically on another wee island that's kind of literally just here. You can see it, like, and I must say it is gorgeous. The underwater life has been amazing so far. The corals have been class, the fish has been class, but because we're doing a certification and a course, it hasn't been like a full like, I don't even know how to like say it, a full like enjoyment like section of scuba diving. It's more focusing on learning.
You can tell that there's other boats coming in and going to maybe more of like the hot spots in the water, whereas we're going to like the first day we had to go to shallow water because we had to be able to learn everything, all the new skills at a level that we felt comfortable with, and then each day it gets deeper every time. So today we're going to the full 18 meters, which will be really exciting. We're going to see probably a lot more fish that we haven't seen yet. I'm really hoping that we're going to see a wee stingray maybe.
Hopefully, maybe even a turtle, they said. Maybe. So
not getting my hopes up.
Yeah, we haven't seen a turtle yet in kind of the snorkeling we've been doing, so we'll not get our hopes up, but you never know. Today is our final day where we're going to a full depth of 18 meters, and you be down for quite long as well. Like
the second day, our first dive, we were under for 2 hours. Now it sounds like loads, but we were at a really shallow depth, and that's why we could stay under the water for that amount of time. But like time just isn't even like a real concept when you're under the water either.
It's a long time when you're under the water, but it is an amazing feeling. Like we were full on swimming around, just floating, looking at each other, being like, we're in Finding Nemo. Swimming with the fish, so just an amazing feeling all together. So we're really looking forward to the day. So we're going to hit the road now, grab some food, and then we're going to head to our scuba centre, which is Scuba Birds here in Koh Tao. They are really good, really handy, got once you come off the pier here as well, and they are by far the cheapest ones we could find for the course. There is so many options of scuba centres and courses to do here in the island. Literally everywhere you go, every road or lane you go down, there's a new scuba centre, a new like diving facility. But yeah, we found these ones online. They are really good. We've been having a blast with them. We have a really good group of people with us as well.
There was five of us the first day, and then there's been 4 of us that have fully completed the course.
Yeah.
So it's been a lovely, like, nice small group that I'm sure you probably wouldn't have got before COVID.
No, like, yeah, not at all. Like, and plus, like, because of COVID times as well, we got a COVID like special offer basically for the course, where we have paid 8,000 baht per person for the course, and normally it's 11,000.
Certain places maybe 15,000.
Yeah, so depending on where you go. So we have actually got it really cheap as well. So we're really happy with that. We're going to hit the road now, head to the centre, and hopefully head out in the sea and do a bit of scuba diving today. Yay! Also thunder, so maybe not as much scuba diving as we thought, but it'll be interesting.
We're under the water, so it doesn't matter. Dive, and oh my god, I cannot wipe the smile off my face. It was amazing. So
good. We had an absolute blast. Today was definitely the best day out of the 3 by far, and our fun dive was literally so much fun. Like, it was so good.
We got so carried away under the water. I think today was the first time it felt like you were proper scuba diving.
Yeah,
like
definitely.
You were proper in the water, like going to see all the fish, and like really just like getting into all the coral. Oh, it was just so amazing.
It was so good. Plus, like, this past couple of days, because we're only learning and kind of starting out, you're constantly thinking and like not worrying, but like constantly going over in your head, right, remember to do this, remember to breathe a certain way, remember about all your different buttons.
You have like 5 steps in your head at all times. You're like, right, this and then this and then this.
Yeah, whereas today like felt completely natural. We like knew what we were doing. We were able to just float around and just kind of just look at all the fish
we were all
and enjoy it.
Under the water as if we knew exactly what everyone was saying.
Giving all our logos, all our signs, and like we just had such a good day. It really was amazing. And like, so hopefully this is only going to be the start of our scuba diving adventures. We are so happy with ourselves, so proud of ourselves as well, because like it is like honestly like difficult, like it is really tricky. There's a lot to it, a lot to learn, and like the online theory, there's so much of the online theory as well, which we still have to finish.
Yes, we have a test to do because we now have our practical end of it done, but we need to go online and do our theory part. It literally feels like I'm doing my driving test all over again.
Yeah.
We'll have like 50 questions to do, and you have to get like 85% of them right, and then you're officially certified.
So we're nearly there. So we're going to sit down this evening, get the rest of our theory done, get the test done, and then hopefully all being well we will pass and be officially Padi certified scuba divers to a depth of 18 meters.
Woo!
Really happy, really excited, really buzzing with ourselves, and it has just been an absolute experience and a half. It's been one of the best things I think we've ever done. Like, it has just been so good and so enjoyable.
We said we wanted to do this. It was kind of like a dream idea while we were at home, and we were like, oh, we're going to do our scuba diving, and we've finally done it now. I'm so glad we've done it at this stage as well, because we still want to explore some more of the south of Thailand. So we're thinking we might be able to do some more diving when we're down there. So yeah, it's really exciting.
so exciting. So we're going to leave it here. We didn't really do much filming during this video because of kind of the situation with doing the course. We were like, look, we wanted to concentrate and focus.
We had a main priority.
Main priority. So I don't know how this video is going to come out, but we're going to leave it here anyway. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, we would love if you liked and subscribed to the channel. And yeah, we just appreciate it. So
thank you so much.
Cheers.